A very good morning to our lecturer. Today, our group Fighter Boys will be presenting our slides, which is about logistics. Logistics defines the management of a supply and transformation to deliver goods on time with good shape and the best conditions. And here are the two types of logistic methods in the industry. Next, first will be traditional logistics. That has been in the industry for many years and has managed to accomplish good management skills and managing goods and services from the origin to other point of consumptions. Although traditional point logistics has been in the industry for many years, there are some problems and issues that all have affected the non-updated method despite of the improvements of technology. And here are some challenges and improvements to help gain more benefits and opportunities for this industry. Next. First will be about limited visibility. Traditional logistics systems may lack the real-time visibility into supply chains, and this makes it more difficult to respond quickly to changes in demand. Next is manual processes. A lot of time traditional logistic processes are manual, which can be very time consuming and would leave high chances of errors. Automation is often limited, and this leads to low efficiency as well. High costs. Traditional logistics can be very costly, high operational costs, including transformations, warehouses, and labor costs. Environmental impact. Traditional logistics may contribute to environmental issues due to the inefficient transportation routes, excessive packaging, and high energy of consumptions. Limited flexibility. Traditional logistics may lack the ability to be flexible and in adapting quick in the changes of the market conditions and customers' preference. Next. And now looking forward to the next slide, we'll be talking about opportunities for the improvements. Next will be automation. Implementing automation into warehouses and centers can highly improve order fulfillment accuracy and reduce lead times and optimize labor utilization. Technology integration. In incorporating modern technologies such as LIT, Internet of Things, RFID, and advanced analytics can highly enhance the visibility and efficiency of traditional logistics. Green logistics. Implementing sustainable and eco-friendly practices such as reducing packaging waste can solve environmental concerns and improve sustainable of logistic operations. E-commerce integration. By the demands of e-commerce, adapting to traditional logistics will solve problems such as last-minute deliveries and open a new opportunity to grow the business. Last would be supply chain visibility. That way across the supply chains that helps to identify inefficiencies for better optimization. Next we'll be talking about smart logistics. Smart logistics defines as a new way of logistics in the industry, with the adds of technology and new methods of managing logistic companies. This made a lot of consumers start to buy things online, and this has put a burden into companies with delivery concerns. And this because of logistic ways that were done in the past few years are not suitable for this new generation. And nowadays, people look into smart logistics as a new advantage. And moving forward to the benefits of smart logistics, first will be mechanization. Consists of technology tools for operations in warehouses. With this technology, possible human errors are reduced. Time reduction. The time required to arrange and merchandise items will be reduced due to automation system process. Efficiency in completing tasks. With technologies that perform specific tasks, the control and accuracy into warehouses are managed and improved. And reduce operational risks. With smart logistic warehouses, they could minimize human intervention into special tasks and accidents can be minimized. Lastly would be increasing productivity. The automation of processes, time savings, and good control in positions to help improve overall productivities in the warehouse. Next, we'll be moving on to the trends of smart logistics. Malaysia's transportation and storage sectors has grown with a percentage of 33.42% in the year 2022, despite of the USD 7.25 million FDI deficit. There's also been a significant growth, jump from 2.6% in 2021 to 33.42% in the year 2022, driven by high demands from various industries such as road transportations, manufacturing, fast-moving consumer goods, and automotive players. Moving forward, next. Based on research, Malaysia's freight and logistic market size are estimated to be 26.35 billion USD in the year 2003, and is expected to reach the amount of 35.1 billion USD by the year 2029, with a compound annual growth rate of 4.9%. Next. Lastly, is that 5 segments. The fastest growing segment by transportation will be rail, with a percentage of 6.14%. Largest CEP segment by destination type domestic, which will be the value of 64.59%. Largest segment by the end under industry would be manufacturing with the value share of 33.26%. Largest warehouse segment by temperature control with non-temperature control with the value of 89.9%. And lastly would be the fastest growing warehouse segment controlled by temperature, which will be pharmaceutical sector with the percentage of 7.98%. And now I would like to pass this to Lavinder to continue with case study.
All right, thank you, Eric. So now I'll move forward. What's the purpose of this case study, which is the smart logistic, which is then now we will be moving forward, which is smart delivery for J&T Express. So now we would like to talk about the background of the company. as we know that the JNT Express has been founded in the year 2015 in Jakarta, Indonesia, and their main service is that for logistics and also cross-border logistics that they do. They express their online business by using the main core of the e-commerce platform as their main purpose, basically. So over the years, they have been increasing and they have been increasing the popularity dramatically, where they have almost 300,000 personal departments worldwide in 13 countries, and they are still expanding, such as China, Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, and many more countries like that, where they are serving nearly 2 billion people every day. Besides JNT serving a logistic service, they also provide many types of services, which is that real-time monitoring, SMS applications, fast claim systems, and many more types of services like that. So now I'd like to move forward. What makes JNT a smart delivery, which is that the application program interference with the API systems. This system is to allow them to communicate better with their consumers in different types of ways. So now moving forward on how can they apply this system into their businesses. Next, please. So the first thing that they should do is that they should register their business under the API system in JNT, and what type of API system they're willing to use, and the JNT ensure that they must change their password accordingly as well. So therefore, if they have any issues, they can always contact the JNT helpline, or they can go through their page as well. Moving forward, after they have registered successfully, they can do a test run and they can identify if their product is going through effectively or not. If they is not going into effectively, they also can contact the JNT helpline to ask for helpness, basically. So before they can begin their production, or before they can produce their consumers towards their goods, they should do a traffic check, where the API of the JNT will be doing a traffic check within their location of the business to make sure everything is working properly. Therefore, after everything is done, now they can start doing their business, and they can start publishing their goods as well. So now moving forward, I would like to show how the process flows between customers, clients, and JNT Express. So the first thing that will happen is that when a consumer starts purchasing a goods from a business, whether it can be either Shopee, Lazada, or any e-commerce platform. So therefore, this system or this notification will go through the partner, and from the partner, it will go through the JNT and API system. So therefore, moving forward, after they have received this API, after the API system has received the notification, they will send a waybill towards the partner, and then the partner will send it back towards the consumer. So therefore, after they have received it, then they can either decide, or the consumer can either decide for a pickup or for a drop off inside their doorstep. So therefore, these are the two examples that we have placed for either it's a order placing and cancellation order. So therefore, now I'd like to move it to Velun. Thank you.
Thank you, Lavingda. Next, I would like to continue with our second case study, which is case study of UR Store Sendian Berhad. Let me introduce a small background about UR Store. UR Store is the third-party logistics provider specializing in the serving e-commerce and B2B sectors, differentiating itself as a powerful platform that integrates similarly with online store and marketplace. UR Store facilitates efficient management of inventory, orders, printed, and catalogs across the vast network of over 100 marketplace and e-commerce websites in Asia. Before we go through detail, let's talk about what is smart warehousing. Next, according to the inbound logistics, smart warehousing is the integrations of advanced technology and automation solution into the warehouse operations to improve efficiency, accuracy, and overall performance. In Malaysia, the adoption of smart warehousing practice has been booming as businesses seek innovative solutions to optimize their supply chains as logistic process. In UR stores, smart warehouse systems are enhanced and replace the traditional warehousing and process by automated tasks, streamlining operations, and provide critical data to ensure that effective, innovative inventory flow. Why we say so? Next, because they are considered all-in-one system for warehousing service in the smart warehousing system. UR Store invests the reliable management system to provide all-in-one system for B2B and B2C businesses. Warehouse management system integrate with inventory management system and order management system to ensure the seamless organized operations. The company provides secure and organized storage solutions. It leverages its technological capabilities to ensure the minimize error during the fulfillment. For example, cloud-based warehouse management systems facilities real-life tracking and new data trackings and management of inventory, helping to improve operational transparency and efficiency. After that, consumers can choose your store for outsourced bulk warehousing and distribution service, provide businesses with cost-effective logistics solutions. It has dedicated logistics express are ready to solve storage and fulfillment needs, saving businesses unnecessary lowest cost and eliminating the needs of additional logistic personnel. Next, I would like let's talk about the opportunity of using smart warehousings. UR store recognized the needs of third-party logistics partner and highlighted the challenge businesses face as that due to the high demands, insufficient capacity and outdated warehouse management system. By collaborating with the multiple e-commerce platform, they are committed to the reducing physical labor and slowly explore business globally. In addition to the partnership with the multiple e-commerce platform, UR Stock average relationship to provide cost-effective express delivery options for local and international deliveries and returns and COD corrections, underscoring UR Store's commitments to provide the comprehensive and effective logistics solutions. Next, this is all my part. I would like to pass to Brian to talk about the next case study.
All right, thank you, William. And now I will be talking the case study of Lalamu Malaysia Interregion of the last mile delivery. So first, I will talking about the background of the company. The Lalamu is an on-demand delivery and logistics company which they empower users all around the world to make delivery fast, simple, and reliable. In just a few simple steps, delivery can be arranged on the Lalamu Android and iOS apps, website, and business API. Therefore, individuals, small businesses, and corporations can access a wide fleet of delivery vehicles operated by professional driver partners. Today, Lalamu operates in 11 markets across Asia and Latin America. Their driver partners operate a large number of vehicles to satisfy the demand of each market, such as lorry, van, and car, so they can deliver any size of the good to fulfill the customer need. Besides that, Lalamu also provides fleet of two-wheel vehicles available for courier service, providing fast and low-cost delivery solution. Through dedicated mobile and web apps, Lalamu seamlessly connect users and drivers around the world to move things that is important. So next slide, I will talking about what is last mile delivery. Last mile delivery refers to the last step of the delivery process when a parcel is moved from a transportation hub to its final destination, such as personal residence and retail store. This is the more critical step in the delivery process and is also a step that company want to ensure is as fast and efficient as possible. However, to keep up with the growing consumer demand for fast transportation, especially in the e-commerce, food, and retail industry, the final step of the delivery process requires significant resources and time to complete. Moving forward to the next one, I will be talking about how to get customized business logistics solution with Lalamu. Lalamu has become synonymous with on-demand business delivery in the last mile leg of the supply chain. But in reality, logistics is not just not about getting your goods into the hand of waiting customer. The bigger picture of logistics is packed with diverse stakeholder, pricing structure, and the steps that facilitate last mile delivery, such as return delivery due to recession accent, high frequency of scheduled delivery, restore or merchandise in a network of outlet, economy of scale-driven pricing structure, and a fleet of fixed driver that you know by name. In simple words, there are countless variables in logistics that require personalized solution to optimize the operation. Next slide, I will introduce about the latest service with Lalamu customized solution. So, how Lalamu provide the last mile delivery? With Lalamu customized solution, you will have more freedom to shape the requirement and price point you need from Lalamu. Lalamu customized solution offer comprehensive logistics support, covering SOP and the cost for first mile, mid-mile, last mile, and all steps in between. Empower business with streamlined optimized logistics from start to finish. So the first one is service level agreement. Their comprehensive service level agreement ensure a customized on-the-road logistic experience, aligning with customer specific needs. Their priorities extend to customer standard operating procedures, guaranteeing reliable driver for timely delivery and fulfillment, ultimately aiming for total complete with customer operation standard. The second one is a fixed contractor pricing. Their tailored pricing model ensure flexibility to accommodate consumer acquisition needs. Whether consumer prefer a cost per job or parcel volume-based pricing, they are committed to creating a custom solution that aligns seamlessly with consumer business profile. It's because consumer satisfied is their priority and they are dedicated to making it for consumer. The third one is flexibility delivery SOP. In managing logistics, acknowledging the inevitability of failure delivery, their SOP ensures seamless handling in the case of rejection. Their delivery partner will quickly return the parcel. They focus on alignment with consumer SOP, adapting their procedure to encompass all potential scenarios, processing a flexible and efficient delivery process. The number 4 is trained delivery partner. Their dedicated team of trained delivery partners ensure a seamless and reliable service for consumer business. Their efficient and complete delivery solution customized to consumer need. With a commitment to excellence, they guarantee a 100% fulfillment rate, primarily attachment to consumer standard operating procedure, which is SOP. The last one is proof of delivery and end of the day report. Their effective parcel tracking is not just a tracking code and the parcel visibility along the delivery journey doesn't end with the parcel level tracking. They will provide the proof of delivery, including image of the parcel at the location address, and after that report, build out the transparency throughout the delivery process. This element provides comprehensive visibility, ensuring a secure and accountable end-to-end journey for every parcel. So for the last one, Lalamove customized solution determine itself in logistics by offering a flexible pricing module tailored to consumer need, whether per job or by where. With customized SOP, SLA-driven terms, same-day delivery, and dedicated support, business gain a competitive edge, optimizing their end-to-end logistics for enhanced, efficient, and customer satisfaction. All right, this is all for our understanding about smart logistics and the case study. Thank you.